still kind of sick, and you're probably gonna hear it every now and then. It's okay though, there's something going around. Happy 2020. You're either looking to journal, or you came here because you're a nice, supportive human. Hi. If you're in group 1, or group 1 and 2, this is advice from someone who's written an entry a day for 10 years now? 10 plus? Maybe I'm qualified. Maybe not. First things first, why have you not been journaling? I've heard these reasons. Dude, I have no time. I hate my handwriting. I forget to make it a routine. I don't know what to write about. I don't understand how people focus like that. I don't trust leaving my secrets written down for someone to find. I tried, then I just stopped. Nah. Sometimes I'm worried that if I write down and document how amazing something was when it was obviously a stupid decision, that future me will read it and past me will be responsible for persuading me into a trap I've already ostensibly learned my lesson from. How do you defeat those variables without sacrificing hours of your day? Welcome to class. Have no time? Well, why do you want this habit of journaling every day or on a regular basis? Is it for a healthier mind or to document your life? The hobby sounds cool. Essentially, I would just say pick either the beginning or the end of your day and then either write about yesterday or what you did that day or what you plan on doing that day. I don't know. Whatever makes most sense for your agenda. You hate your handwriting? I hear this one all the time. I mean, if you write like a blindfolded doctor with shaky hands, I used to do this too. The reason I don't have 10 more journals than the stack I showed you on and off throughout middle school and early high school because they weren't organized exactly the way I wanted them to be, or my handwriting was frustrating me. I'd rip pages out and I'd start over when nobody cares. You're never gonna finish a journal if you keep doing that. You gotta just do it. 1, handwriting changes if you want it to, and you are the only one who's supposed to ever see what you're writing. If you can read your own handwriting, there is no problem. But if you need like an easy tip to better your handwriting, I'd say pick journals with really thin lines. Making a routine is difficult. I need to read this one directly from my notes because it's a full sentence. The time you choose to write when you start out should be at the hour you do the most contemplating, venting science, especially when you do it long-term habitually, because then it just becomes this healthy form of catharsis, not just for writing geeks like myself. I mean, some of you could be journaling at 3 in the morning. If you're awake at 3 in the morning already, put the thoughts somewhere. You don't know what to write about, so there are no rules. Completely limitless. But if you need rules, try Googling prompts or existential questions and responding to them. I have this little magnetic poetry set thing with random vocabulary words, and I'll put them on my whiteboard without looking, and then I'll respond to each word as if it's a subject in my life. If you don't know how to focus on finishing the entry, try it with music. Maybe write it in letter format. Now, to who? That's up to you. If you're scared someone will read it, if you're in a place where your privacy is violated, first off, secondly, they sell journals with locks. You could do that and or leave it at a trusted friend's house. I've actually journal guarded for somebody before. Journal guarded? Here's another problem. You wish you liked doing it, but you just don't. Journaling on a regular basis is not for everyone, but you just want to like it. Try relating it to something you do enjoy. Maybe whenever you have a good or bad game in whatever sport you play, you can write it out or use it to write letters to your future self. God, what's awesome about this is there really are no rules. Sorry, journals amaze me. If you just say nah. Okay, thanks for watching this far. You're very cool. If writing your feelings down scares you in general, and that's what's stopping you, if you keep the journal somewhere you trust, the worst that can happen is you stop and that you get bummed out because you stopped. Journaling is the bomb. I'd never have a clear mind if I didn't journal all the time. What I would like right now is a clear nose, but I can't breathe. Thank you for watching. I think my stomach just growled into the mic. Nice. Comment winner of last week is Rashawn. Not only was he the first to comment, but he's always so elaborate with his comments. Thank you, Rashawn. Also, if you're not subscribed to him yet, I sincerely recommend it. I will put his channel in the description. You know what I say if you've been here for a bit. Like, subscribe, comment something interesting, and you'll get a shout out in my next video. And in my next video, I shouldn't be sick. I wish you luck on your journaling journey. That was a fun set of words.